Hey, Jacob here from ABC. In this video, we are taking a look at the Con Backup. It's a backup device rope grab for high-rise window cleaning. So, let's take a look. Now, before we get started, it's important to know that the information in this video is accurate as of the date of filming. For the most up-to-date information, always refer to the manufacturer's instructions. It's also important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for proper training. Let's take a look at a couple of the features about the Con Backup. First, it has two modes. It's currently in up-only mode, which means it'll go up the rope, but not back down. This is useful if you're ascending the rope or you want to stick it in place to keep it high and maybe minimize fall distance. It also has up and down mode, which you can adjust with the lever on the side. When you do that, it'll go up and down with you, and of course, in case of a fall, it'll lock into place. Now, you can take the device off and on the rope by removing the carabiner and sliding the faceplate to the side. You'll see when it's open, there's this little arm in here, and when the carabiner's on there putting pressure, it clamps down on the rope, and that's what stops the device. Now, for rope compatibility, the Con Backup is an ANSI-rated device when used with approved 7/16" static lifeline. Now for lanyard compatibility, you should just use the included webbing lanyard along with the included carabiner. It also has a fall indicator, which will tear in case of a fall, which makes inspecting it easier. So that was a little bit about the Con Backup device. For more information or to purchase, check out our website. And as always, thanks for watching.